Hi guys, so I wanted to do another little evening in my life vlog. I just decided to do this and I know this lighting is really bad. I just ate lunch. I just got back from my part-time job. I finished schoolwork for the week, so I don't really have to worry about schoolwork, but I do need to do some things for like my social media work. So that is where I will be. I don't know if I've said this. I live in Richmond, Virginia, where everything is happening with our water. Luckily, we are technically not in the area of water that hit. It's Friday and Friday night, so tonight it's supposed to start the snowstorm. We still have snow on the ground. Snow is supposed to start at 5 p.m. So I already know we're gonna be snowed in. It's supposed to stop until Saturday morning, so tomorrow morning. I hope that's a little bit better instead of me walking around. My plan now that I'm home is to shower so I can wash my hair, and then I need to do a little bit of work when it comes to scheduling like some YouTube shorts because I'm really trying to prioritize YouTube this year. I know everything's still happening with the TikTok ban, so we're still making TikTok a priority, but we're sticking with YouTube and Instagram as well. Just making everything a priority. I also need to make a list of stuff that I can do while we're snowed in, because when I don't have anything to do, I get really bored, and it always helps me when I have a to-do list. Even if it's just random things, like one of the things on the to-do list I already know is going to be washing our sheets, because I haven't washed our sheets since last Sunday. So just doing that already. And then like do like a clean cycle on the laundry machine. I also want to come up with more YouTube ideas. I think I kind of want to do an apartment tour. This is my boyfriend and I's second apartment together, and this one it's marketed as a luxury apartment, which I'm sure there's much more luxurious apartments elsewhere. This one is just a brand new apartment complex, and they are marketed towards luxury because a lot of the amenities that we have are luxury. So, but this one is so much nicer than our last apartment that literally had mold in it because they didn't care and they wouldn't do anything about the mold. So I want to do an apartment tour. Also just trying to do some coffee related things I feel like would be cool. I'm gonna vlog tonight. Now I don't know how comfortable I'm gonna be vlogging around my boyfriend, so it might just be short clips after he gets home. But let's go to the bathroom and get ready for this shower so that I can be productive after the shower. It's so hard with me doing Project Pan because I got PR and I really want to use all of this. I have to finish the products that I have. I've always wanted to try their cleansing balm, and I really want to try this, but my Project Pan, I'm trying to finish this. And sneak peek, but I'm so excited for this. I have been saving all my empties. Look how many freaking empties I have already. That's crazy. It's like January 10th and I already have that many empties. They also sent this in the verse. And I'm obsessed with it. I should have been wearing this one. Oh, she's so cute. I like the green a whole lot better. Okay, these are the products I'm gonna use. So my face wash, shampoo and conditioner. I've switched to this body wash because I used up my other body wash. Out of the shower. My skin is so freaking dry. I've not been using my Arazalo because this dries your skin out and my skin is already dry from the weather. First thing I'm gonna do is some lash serum. This eye serum from Belief. Murad night cream. I'm gonna use some of this Grow hair serum. I've been using this and Nutrafol, and I feel like it's a double whammy. I'm just gonna use a few drops of this hair oil. I'm also excited because I got these. Now Kiss, this is my favorite nail brand. I will forever use their nails, and they're just glittery, shiny. I thought they were really pretty for the new year, so this is where I'll be for the next probably like hour or so. Really excited because my boyfriend and I are going to do pizza tonight, and I have a free pizza reward from Domino's that I'm gonna let him have, and I found pizza from Good and Gather at Target, and it's like plant-based sausage. So excited. So we're gonna do pizza tonight, and I think like little salads on the side. Okay, I was just playing around with my phone, and why do I love cinematic for YouTube videos? This is so nice. How did I not know about this? So I was gonna take a nap, and I was literally in bed about to take a nap because I get so tired because I wake up so early. But then I was like, I forgot I need to make these muffins that my boyfriend's obsessed with right now. So let me film it because I literally know the recipe by heart now because I make these probably like twice a week because he eats them so quick. Yeah, so they're sourdough blueberry muffins. They're not actual sourdough like you use. I'm using my discard from my sourdough that's right over there. Let me do that. Let me go get my big tripod. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I still am gonna do my nails tonight and watch some Grey's Anatomy before my boyfriend gets home. I will insert some clips of all of those tonight. Maggie, have you seen before? But just not the way you pictured it. She wanted to join me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you next time.